Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video. I'm going to discuss about like Microsoft Fabric, and I'm going to add more topics in the future videos, and I will mostly cover the why we are using Microsoft Fabric. And apart from these guys, I will cover for AWS data engineer. Mostly this channel is belongs to like technology or cloud based. Okay, as well apart from this I will include more technologies also, as right, when I have to enhance my skills also, I have to do some practical scenarios which is required for the real time. So those kind of scenarios I am going to cover in my session, okay? And this will be helpful to many people who are tech peoples, and as well as who want to utilize this technology in their real time business solutions. So, guys, before going to discuss, I want to tell you about what is Microsoft Fabric, guys. Okay, so guys, Microsoft Fabric is nothing but uh, it is like you know it is like one type of end-to-end analytics solution that offer comprehensive suite of services, which includes like data engineering, data integration, all in one place, guys. Okay. So, guys, before going into this topic, right? So you just aware of this already. We are using Azure cloud, right? Like Microsoft already introduced this cloud-based technology, which is right now real time. Well, mostly clients are using. So that type of same concept, which are similar, we are using here, but here all in one place, guys, which is for like, as I already told you, data lake and data engineering, data integration solutions, right? Microsoft has just introduced this tool, which is helpful for mostly for the end-to-end analytics solutions, guys. So mostly, guys, nowadays the technology upgrading, right? And we have to be who is techie people has to upgrade the skills also based on the new technologies. So let's go ahead and discuss about some insight of Microsoft Fabric, guys. Okay, so guys, this is Fabric is an end-to-end analytic product that address every aspect of organization analytical needs, but there are five areas that really set Fabric apart from this rest of the market. So guys, these are the below in this image. You can see what is Microsoft Fabric contain the components which are like data factory, Synapse data engineering, Synapse data science, and Synapse data warehouse. And Synapse real-time analytics, Power BI, and last data activator. Right now, guys, as I saw in my tool, I can see like recently I have logged in this tool. I have go through that. I could see that all the main features. I'm not sure I can able to find this data activator. Okay, so this all components are below is bottom is our one lake. So whatever files you want to send to from one lake to this data factory Synapse and other components we can utilize in these components also, guys. Okay, and guys, before going into that each component, I just want to highlight key components, things like turn large and complex data repositories into actionable workloads and analytics. So we have to implement some data mesh architectures, right? So those kind of and simplifying the development process by providing this set of development tools and APIs, guys. So this kind of things scenarios we can implement with by help of these components, guys. Okay. And one more thing is it is a powerful platform that can help organize for all sides to improve their data analytics capabilities. Mostly it is helpful for the data analytics organization. It is a valuable tool for organization. They are looking to make better decision based on their database. Yes. And I'm going to discuss about this components, guys. Okay, what is data factory? So already we have like Azure data factory, which is used for data engineering peoples. Like mostly they will create that ETL solutions on the cloud. So same scenario here also. We can utilize this data factory in this Microsoft Fabric, guys. So data factory preview provide more than 150 connection to cloud on premises data sources, guys. And it's mostly like drag and drop for experience for data transformation and ability to do orchestrate data pipelines, guys. For example, guys, mostly like if you go to other retail tools also, which is on premises like SAP bots, Informatica, and IBM Dell. Those are like same scenario. We can use drag and drop, but mostly we used to write some hands-on some scripting also in those tools also, guys. But coming to here, I can as per my experience, I have which I'm working right now, architecture. So I feel like this Microsoft Fabric is a good who wants to grab the knowledge in the field of data engineering, right? They can go ahead and do with help of this drag and drop or UI and with help of this transformation, guys. So they can easily implement ETL solution for data integrations. Okay, so guys, this is about that data factory. Now coming about Synapse data engineering. It's enable great authoring experience of Spark, instant start with live pools and ability to collaborate. Okay. So guys, we can do some like Synapse data engineering with help of Spark. Okay, with help of data science Spark, we can do some transformation, which is helpful for the data engineering peoples, which is help like in order to start with live pools and ability to collaborate with the ETL solutions, right, which are complex. They want to implement on huge amount of data sets, right? So they can implement the Synapse data engineering solution, guys. So apart from this, we have like Synapse for data science provide end-to-end work for data scientists to build sophisticated AI models. Right now, the AI technology is like, day to day, it is going to like up level only. It is not going to degrade down level. So if you go to the AI website, everyone is using their data, right? So with the help of this data science, with help of Synapse data science, we can create end-to-end workflows for data science people. They can utilize this for their AI model, and they can easily collaborate and train and develop and manage their machine learning models. So this kind of scenarios we can utilize this data set. You can say ChatGPT, you can go for Bard, you can go for any other like mid journeys. So it is based on the scenarios, guys, how they are utilizing the AI model and to manage the machine learning models. So based on the requirement, they are going to utilize this kind of Synapse data science solutions, guys. Okay. Now, apart from this, we have for Synapse for data warehouse, like provides a coverage lakehouse and data warehouse experience with industry leading SQL performance and open data formats. It means like, for example, data warehouse. So where we have to maintain some star schema, extended star schema, similar concepts like. So where we used to do some, mostly data warehouse is helpful for the analytic people, guys, which can they can do some analytics solution on based on the huge amount of data sets. So they can do some SQL performance on open data formats. Okay. So this is about a Synapse data warehouse. And the Synapse real-time analytics enable developer to work with the data stream, for example, for IoT. Nowadays, everyone is using the internet, right? Internet-based devices. So they want to utilize some, they have to capture some logs, telemetry, right? Those kind of data it requires. So those kind of scenarios we can utilize Synapse for real-time data analytics. In Power BI and Fabric, mostly like reporting team, they have to develop some with help of some data for analytic solutions, so they can implement with help of this Power BI experience deeply integrated into Microsoft 365, and it also provides relevant insight where business users already work. So it means, guys, if you're already having some knowledge of Power BI, rich visualizations, you want to apply some AI-driven analytics, right? That can also possible in this my Power BI in Fabric, guys. Now coming about data activator, it right now coming soon, good, not yet. I'm not sure it is already integrated, but as per the SAP, as per the Microsoft official site, it is like mentioned like data activator coming soon. Provide like real-time detection and monitoring of data and can trigger notifications and action when it finds specific pattern in data. All in no code experience, guys. Okay, it means like it provides real-time detection monitoring of data, guys, based on and it can trigger the notification. So it will helps to specific pattern on based on data, guys. So this is about data activator, which is right now it is coming, guys. Now coming go about advantages, guys. So Microsoft Fabric having like simplicity, scalability, flexibility, and security. Now let's go about discuss about Fabric. Simply the development and deployment of analytic solution, providing single platform for all required services. Guys. One solution already told, right? Okay, so it contains many components, right? Like in this slide, if you see, these are all the all components are available in Microsoft Fabric, and we can use all data like for if you want to place the files, tables in one lake, and these files and tables can utilize for the data factory, Synapse data engineering, Synapse data science, or etc. base, whatever components. So we can utilize this kind of simplicity that it can. And UI level, guys, I feel that I feel like UI level it is very good, and yeah, it's like easy. Anybody can easily understand. Have some knowledge of some tool oriented, right? They can easily grab this knowledge sets. Okay, and scale Fabric is designed to scale to meet the needs of even largest organization. Like scalability is also very like it is designed to meet the need even the largest organization. For example, this Fabric can be utilized for the where not even small, even large organization can utilize this concept, guys. Okay, most like ERP level organizations. Okay, those are like Coca-Cola, Mercedes. Those are types of like manufacturing machine. They want to utilize this Microsoft Fabric. They can utilize it easily. Now, flexibility, when it comes to flexibility, Microsoft can be easy to support like wide variety of analytic workloads, guys. So flexibility level, it is like already I have seen that we can in one shot we can easily go switch to data engineer to we can go ahead for the Power BI also. We can easily switch with a variety of analytic workloads, guys. Okay, it's not like can we have to stop and start these servers sometimes, right? We go into the cloud level also, we have to the backend servers are we have to stop and start this with some application. It's not like this kind of concept has been implemented. So Fabric can be used to support a wide variety of analytics workloads also. So automatically supporting guys wide variety of analytic workloads. And security level, Fabric provides secure environment for storing and processing data, guys. Okay, security level also we can maintain storing and processing data very well. And mostly right now we can use this 60 days Microsoft Fabric. I mean, like, for example, if you want to like utilize this Microsoft Fabric for practice purpose and see how it is almost providing for 60 days time. Okay. So guys, coming about use cases like real-time world, how they see how this Fabric can help, like customer analytics. Fabric can be used to analyze the customer data to gain insight into customer behavior, preferences, and needs. So guys, I'm just to give you some examples here, like for example, supply chain analytics we can use for this solution for supply chain management, and we can use fraud detection, risk management. There are many more examples for this. I'm just giving some highlights where we can utilize this Microsoft Fabric, guys. So guys, this is about major thing of Microsoft Fabric, and my next sections, in my next sessions, I'm going to give overview of Microsoft Fabric UI, and I will go through each component in my coming sections. So thanks for watching this section. I hope you like this video and it will help to you understanding.